Hello everybody, this is Fifth Life X. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. We are here again for another episode where I'll be telling you about the market buyers for gold and BTC for September 2025. Okay, so you might want to take your time. So this will be a detailed explanation of what's going to happen on gold and BTC for this month. So like I will always say on my video, gold and BTC are what correlated pairs. Most of the time, if gold is bullish, BTC is bearish. If BTC is bullish, gold is bullish. Now as you can see, gold is bullish in this scenario. Now let's go to the BTC so you see what I'm saying. BTC will be bearish. I already know this. You understand? So it's a normal scenario. It always happens. It happens all the time. So I've noticed this a lot of the time. So these two are correlated pairs. Now, what is going to happen on BTC, on gold for this month, this new month? Let's go to XAU USD. Okay, XAU USD. Okay, this is good. Now, moving to the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, you can see the charts. You can see there is this is a candle range. It's a valid candle range. Though this type of candle range is a 50% average closure, in the sense that there is no buyers and sellers between the buyers and sellers. Nobody has won the trade. This is the plus inside bar. Now, what I'm trying to say is that this very candle, this monthly candle, which is April, yeah, it's the April candle. This is the May, June, July, then August. So this is the April candle. We have our candle range for April candle at this place between here, which is this high, and this low. If you know what CRT means, you understand what I'm saying. So this is a candle range because the closure of this very candle happened within what, partial percent above and partial percent below. What I'm trying to say is that these 2 points are equal, which means the buyers and the sellers, nobody actually won. But although price closed higher than the previous price, market closed higher than the previous price. What I'm trying to say is that for a candle to be bullish, it has to do with the price closure. You understand? It has to do with the price closure, not necessarily. The price closure determines the color of that candle, but in another scenario, the sellers might still be winning on that very candle. So what I'm telling you is that because a candle closed higher or it closed in a bullish color, either blue or green, does not guarantee that that very candle is bullish. That is the closure of that candle. If the buyers won, it doesn't guarantee that, but it guarantees that what the previous candle, the buyers won this previous candle, which made the price closed higher. That was why it was a bullish candle. But in a normal scenario, this candle, there is no determination which of the whether buyers or sellers. There is no clarification. There is no winner here. It's more of a 50-50 trade because this is the opening price. Price got rejected from this point, went back to the opening price, pushed to the upside, got rejected down to 50% of the average move. Then price closed there. As you can see, the next candle tried to take out this high, but it got rejected. Fall back to the what? To the opening price, which means the sellers are in massive pressure here. Now the next candle happened. It took out this high, which is the previous month, fell down. Watch what I'm trying to do. So it fell down, it came down to the close to the opening price, and it closed there, which means these are massive rejections. This next candle, which was the July candle, this is pure candle reading. This is pure candle reading. So this very candle closed more than 50% of the average move, which means that what the sellers won throughout the month of July on gold. The sellers won throughout the month of July on gold. Now, this is August. August has been what? Bullish. You understand? But this month has come to an end. This is a bullish candle. You understand? What is my projection for this new month? My projection for this new month is that the opening price will likely start from this point. It's going to what? Take out this high, which is this very April high. If there is a closure of a 4-hour candle above it, then it will be bullish. But if there is a sweep of a 4-hour candle below it and the closure was below, note that that whole month will be bearish. This is because the 4-hour goes with the monthly time frame as a smaller time frame candle, where we watch. If you know candlestick time frame analysis, that's how it works. When you talk about the weekly time frame, it goes with the 1-hour chart. If you talk about the daily time frame, it goes with the 30 minutes chart. If you talk about the 4-hour time frame, it goes with the 15 minutes chart. If you talk about the 1-hour time frame, it goes with the 1-minute chart. If you talk about the 30 minutes time frame, it's going with the 3 minutes. If you talk about the 15 minutes, going with the 1 minute. That's how it works. No logic about this. You understand? So if there is a 4-hour closure, candle closure, full body closure above this high, which is the very April high, this means that what? The month of September, gold is going to be bullish. Remember, no trade is guaranteed, but with good analysis, we are what? We are good to go. You understand? So that's it. That's it. Take note of this. Now, moving to the weekly time frame, let's get our analysis straight. Moving to the weekly time frame, you can see the bullish move here. So this high is likely going to be what? Retested. It's likely going to be what? Retested. Either a sweep and a closure below, signifying a bearish move, or a closure above, more of a breakout candle. You understand? So let's move to the daily time frame. As you can see, the buy confirmation is still there. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, the buy confirmation is still there. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. As you can see, the buy confirmation is still there. You understand? So all the time frames, they are all what? Confirming that same bias, which means price is likely going to what? Retest the high of the month of what? July. That is the prediction for gold for this new month. A bullish move to the upside, retesting this high of July, and probably if there should be a closure there, gold is going to buy and it will create a new all-time high. You understand? It will create a new all-time high. But if that's not the case, it will start selling. Watch out for that. Make sure you are on my signal channel, so I'll drop signal on it if I get any setup, so we'll all get to know what's going to happen on the market. So that's that for gold. Let's go to BTC USD. This is BTC USD on the monthly time frame. Remember, like I said, BTC and gold, they are what? Correlated pairs. Most of the time they are correlated pairs. Now you can see BTC is just doing a retracement. BTC is just doing a retracement. You can see this was the protected low, a swing low, another swing low at this area. You understand? This is another swing low. There is an internal range liquidity located at this area, which is, if there is a fair value gap. This is the monthly time frame. Please take note. There is a fair value gap located at that area. Probably BTC will be bearish to this level before pushing to the upside. Meanwhile, gold will buy until BTC gets reversal from this point. I don't know if you are getting my analysis straight. Like I said, gold and BTC, they are correlated pairs. If BTC is buying, gold is selling. If gold is selling, BTC is buying. You understand? So having known all this, we can see that okay, there is a bearish move on BTC, which means that what? If BTC should continue selling to this point, gold will be buying, creating new all-time high. That is to tell you that what? BTC is likely going to what? To sell for this new month. Look at the analysis. It's very clean and clear. There is another internal range liquidity located at this area. These are internal range liquidities. And you know, BTC doesn't joke with fair value gaps. It likes going to fill them. Look at this. This is a proper scenario of what I'm telling you. This is a gap. There's a gap here. This was the bullish move, and there was a retracement, and it got filled before continuing what push to the upside. Now expect same thing to happen at this area. If BTC should buy for this new month, know that what gold will likely be what. Sorry, if BTC should be selling for this new month, know that gold is likely going to what continue buying. So that's just the point. You understand? So moving to the 4-hour time frame, let's get our analysis straight. Moving to the 4-hour time frame, you can see the market bias. You can see. If you are to check your line chart gives us the direction of the market. Now, remember, we are to make use of our trend line no matter what. We are to make use of our trend line no matter what. You can see trend line works with zones. There is a 3 touch here confirming the trend line, which means this is a bearish market. You can see where support turn to what resistance, price start pushing down. Look at the bias, lower lows, lower highs. That's it. Very, very simple. This is from the 4-hour. We can confirm our bias from the 4-hour chart. Now moving to the chart, you can see our bias was really, really accurate, which means that what BTC might sell for what this new month. So get the bias straight. Gold will be bullish. Remember, no analysis is 100% accurate, but if you know what you are doing, you are on the right path. Gold might be bullish for this new month, which is September, and BTC will be bearish for this new month. Other informations will be posted on the Telegram channel. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification button so that you can as well get updated each time I post a new video. Make sure to be on the Signal group. Thank you. Bye for now.